Das as democracy. Oh, wrong video. My bad. This is my 1997 Jaguar XK8. Something in my throat. Pause. It runs. It drives. It's really dirty and full of what the British call imperfections. But with 125,000 miles and how little it costs, how could I say no? The top works, the tenna works, the engine works. Let's take her home and give this girl a bath. I know your time is precious, so I'm voicing this part over. But this is my genuine reaction to seeing this car's history for the first time. The only thing I knew going in was that it had a salvage title. This Jag has quite the storied past compared to anything I've bought before, so we'll see if it turns out to be a total basket case. Overall, I believe my sentiment was that I'm not super pleased, but not too offended.
I'm not super pleased, I would say, but I'm not too offended. I mean, even though it's been in all those accidents, it looks okay and it drives straight, so.
Well said, me. Well said.